So now that you've exported to a WAV file, let's figure out how we can convert this over to an MP3 file. We're going to be using Audacity. You can just Google it, comes right up front, audacity.sourceforge.net. This works for Windows, Linux, and Mac. So even if you don't have Windows or Linux, you can still use this, and it's for great functionality other than simply converting to MP3. For example, you can remix, master, you can even do things like autotune with certain extensions to this program. So let's go over to the download section. Here's all your links. You can see there's a plugins and libraries area. Let's click that because we're going to need a certain library. That is the lame MP3 encoding library, and that will allow us to switch over and encode into MP3. Now, if you don't know how to do this, there's the FAQ, frequently asked questions, and it gives you step-by-step instructions depending on your operating system on exactly how to do that. So go ahead and get all that information together. Let's open it up. I've already got it installed. And once you open it up, here's your audio workstation, and you can take any sound file. Let's just drag this over here and drag it right in. Now note this was a WAV file that I dragged in, and then I can go export, and I can select any of these file types, and I'll pick MP3, and I'll click save, rename it, export it to the desktop. If this is your first time to export as an MP3, it will ask you to locate that lame encoding library, but you'll never need to do it again after that. It'll have it mapped and registered inside the program. So then you'll have an MP3 ready to go. Do whatever you need to do with it, and you can throw it up there on YouTube. If you happen to create a video with one of the songs that you've created this way and change it over to MP3 and all that, go ahead and post it as a response. I'd be very interested to see what you've got. Take care, YouTube.